Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what are Reddit coins and how to purchase Reddit coins. So if you don't know what Reddit coins, I will teach you basics and I will teach you how you can use them on Reddit as well. So Reddit coins basically Reddit coins are a virtual good you can use on Reddit to buy awards for other editors. If someone makes a post, comment or live video broadcast that you want to show your appreciation for, you can give it an award to show how you feel about it, you like them or you dislike them. So how you can use them? You must open up Reddit application first. How you can purchase them is that you must go into your profile icon in the top right corner, and you can see is contributor program, and you can see zero earned because I have not purchased any Reddit coins as of now. So after you click on that, you will see many offers that you can buy, and you can see this option here, get verified to start earning as well. You will see a special offers that you can purchase coins from. They are asking you to buy 1800 coins for just $5.99 and get 450 bonus coins as well. So you will see all the options here. You can choose any of them and then you can easily use them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.